Diamond Matter channel, welcome. This video is a continuation of the one I completed previously. I was doing this little split V-claw. In that video I was talking about making claws like little cones, like kind of elongated cones. So rather than just a parallel bit of wire for your claw, if you can actually taper it down, really keep it round section, but taper it down. It's a really nice design feature, so it works as one or as a V-claw. It's nice. So I was talking about planning to do that more on the channel in the future. So with that in mind, I'm going to show you how I create a little cone-shaped claw. So I'll get into it after a thank you to a new patron, Carol Bowles. Thank you very much, Carol. She became a patron yesterday, and she was clever because she paid for a full year in one go. So she saved 10%. You get 10% discount if you pay for the full year in one go, just so you're aware of that. And I asked for patrons, enables me to... There's a little earthquake then. I think the coast is clear. I think it's all right now. So yeah, patrons. I was asking for patrons for the channel because I was a professional jeweller in London for over 20 years, and I was trained up to a really high level. I used to specialise in hand making mounts for really special gemstones, so valuable pieces. And people who are spending a lot of money, they expect, I would say they even demand, things to be made really perfectly, really high quality. You want a really high quality, well-made mount for a very special gemstone. That's the ideal. And so my training and experience is really good. But basically after moving to Japan, after living in London, I'm not a professional jeweler anymore, and I want to keep my skills alive by doing this YouTube channel. So I'm sharing everything I learned in the past, putting it on video so people can learn what I learned basically. And the people who make that possible to continue are the patrons. So I asked for patrons. A little bit of financial support enables me to continue doing so. So if you want to become a patron, it's patreon.com/diamondmouter. There's a link in the description anyway if you don't want to type that out. And yeah, a little bit of help, a little bit of financial help enables me to continue sharing what I know. And then it's not just I accept your money and then that's it, you get to watch the videos. You get a shout out on the next upload after you join. You'll get access to the new YouTube videos 2 weeks before they go public on YouTube, and official and classic patrons will get access to all the full instructional guides. So I've made 30 now, like full length videos from start to finish, how to make mounts for all different designs, and I plan to continue doing those well into the future. So yeah, patron support really do help me do what I'm doing on this channel. Right, so now let's get into the video finally. So I'm using the bit of wire left over from doing the V-claw yesterday. So this is quite fun to do this. What I'm going to do is flatten the top first of all. So that'll be plenty. That's probably about right. Yeah, but when you see the claw against it, it just gives it a bit more elegance, because when things are quite nice if they taper off and go a bit thinner and a bit more delicate, it just works nicely. So it's a good move, I think, to taper things off.